What is the similarity between the law of attraction and the law of action and reaction? Both laws rest on the fundamental law of thinking is creating, which works through the creation of mental images in the phase of the conscious mind, which through the process of meditation and the generation of thoughts by emotional impression or repetition, enter in the phase of the subconscious mind, where they tend to manifest. The law of attraction is also attributed to the law of affinity, which is also manifested in this same process. It begins with positive thoughts or in meditation, which attracts what has been imagined in it, this action being that of believing for materializing in your life, either around you or in yourself. The law of affinity, he mentions, manifests itself when you attract situations or people in relation to how you are, how you express yourself, that is, according to what you attract. This is because you express what you have. If you have love, you express it through of your thoughts, which are transformed into actions in the physical world. You cannot give what you do not have. In the case of love, you not only have it but you are it, because love and consciousness are the same, therefore the consciousness is love in essence. The law of action and reaction is the same law of attraction, but focused on actions in the material world, where the physical world is the world of effects, while the mental world is the world of causes. Why not? There is nothing in the physical world that has not been thought of, both in the microcosm, the spiritual and personal human being, and in the macrocosm, the supreme being. For this reason, the law of action and reaction transcends the mental world, where as you think as you receive, focused on both positive and negative thoughts, attracting the corresponding ones as you think, similar to the law of attraction, but it focuses entirely on the positive. This law of action and reaction is defined as, to every action there is a reaction of equal intensity but in the opposite direction. Thoughts will tend to materialize, when fixed, as mentioned before, because matter is made up of densified substance. That is to say that all matter is materialized mind, principle of the first Hermetic law, where it says the everything is mind, the universe is mental in the mind, that is mental substance. The Supreme Consciousness acts in the macrocosm, creating the universe, by means of its three attributes or faculties, consciousness, wisdom and will, where being the same expression of the spiritual or personal human being acts in the mind, microcosm, to manifest and express itself. That is, we act in the mind, in the emotional body and in the physical body. The mind is only one and is used, according to the degree of consciousness acquired and therefore expressed in the case of us. In the case of God, it is also the same mind with which it manifests. It should be noted that love is not an emotion, but a state of consciousness, which in the Christ degree, is that of its full and true manifestation. We conclude that the law of action and reaction, the law of attraction and the law of cause and effect, is the same, but interpreted in different ways, and these, in turn, are the law of thinking